DJM TV. DJM TV.
What's your reaction to what's happening in Nigeria?
I'm a professor. I'm a Nigerian. I'm a professor based here, and I have seen the evil in the government that kills its children. I don't mind you killing adults. They kill the children, and the children are asking for one thing. The children they didn't ask for money. They're asking for justice. How can you kill your children when in the zoo, the animals take care of their children? But in Nigeria, the idiots killed their children. And then the governor of the state came out to say nobody died. Because he hired his hoodlum to carry the dead. He just sent a fax now. He just sent a message. I'm just from Downing Street now, and I'm going back to Downing Street. He sent a message to Downing Street saying nobody died. So why would you say a lie and tell a bigger lie to cover it up? When I have the photographs of the people that died. I have the photographs of the people that died.
Okay, well, as you know, the government disputes the fact that people have died.
The government is a liar. It's a lie. Do we have a government? We have a government in Nigeria. What is the meaning of a government? A government is a responsible body of people that looks after the citizens and is afraid of the citizens. This is tyranny. The citizens are afraid of the governor. Do we have a government? Where is the government? The meaning of a government.
If the Nigerian president is watching this now, what's your message to him?
Wake up and behave like a father. Right now, wake up because you are dead. If we have a president, he is dead. How can you let your children be shot? Who's one country on planet Earth that shoots their children?
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Up Nigeria youth! Up Nigeria youth! Up Nigeria youth! We are not afraid to say this. Formerly, Buhari tell the world that Nigerian youth are lazy. But now we have woke up. Up Nigeria youth! Cool down. Now we have woke up. Today, we demand, you see, the SARS is just a topic of the matter. Then, SARS is headline. We have branches. Now the branches are wanted to tell the government. Today, we need border to be open. If they cannot fight for us, let them open border for us. Number two, all the National Assembly, the senator, whatever they call the minister, the governor, all the salary must be cut. No, allowance, all the allowance must be down. All the arrears must be down. So the salary will be flashed. Now again, school fees will come down. Everybody will be enjoying a free education. Then, if he cannot able to do this, let him resign. If Buhari cannot able to go to the demand of Nigeria, you resign. Yes.
Now, if you are the president of this Nigeria, what can you provide as a solution to what is going on?
Very simple. Very simple. Now, as things are working like that, I will come out as a president. Tell my people, what did you want? They will not there. Okay, I will say National Assembly. All this senator, minister, governor, your salary come down. If you cannot able to do it, leave and let other people come over. Then in case they refuse, or my cabal refuse, and I don't want them to kill me because I said I will carry barrow and resign up. that I will not going to let a legacy behind. It's not only this country, other countries, ministers, president, they do resign if things are like this. Why are they dying for the seat? Remember when Buhari was 20-something years, he was the president. Until now, he's still a president. For what? For what?
Now, one word. What do you want everything to conclude on? What do you want to conclude on everything?
Everything to conclude on that Buhari must come to our needs. Today, tomorrow, and forevermore.
Let him fix Nigeria.
All Nigeria youth! All Nigeria youth! Yes. Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. We shall always fight for our life. Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. We shall always fight for our life. Up Nigeria youth! Up Nigeria youth! Up Nigeria youth!
Over Nigeria.
The youths are really trying. We are proud of the youths. We are really proud of the youth because they are all tired. Look at most of them, they are all graduates. They will go to school, finish school, no job for them, no nothing. We the mothers will struggle, and I have 2 graduates in my house. They are still there. I know they will get job. But the thing is, some people, they will go to school, their mothers will strive out to train them, no job for them. Meanwhile, some people, they will just go and sit in the House of Assembly, Senate, only one sitting, they will collect billions. Rice, we mothers, we don't, there is no mother that can boast a bag of rice in a house. Rice now is almost 30,000. They sell Nigeria rice. We cannot buy it. School fees is there. Number bill is there. Fuel is there. Why do you want to kill us? Why do you want to kill us? I'm paying 350 for house rent, 3-bedroom flat. For what in Nigeria? If he cannot do, let him step down. Let the youth go there.
What is the problem? What is the problem we have in Nigeria? Is it the president or?
Both the president, both the leaders, they are all bad. They have failed us. They should step aside. They have failed us. They have failed us. We need youth. Let youth go there. Let youth go there. They say youth are the leaders of tomorrow. They are the future of tomorrow. Let them go there.
We are the leaders of today.
If they fail us, we will know that they have failed us. Let them go.
We don't tire for this Nigeria. So many things. Everything dey expensive for Nigeria. Fuel everything. Police no dey allow people dey rest. They go dey kill. Soldier go dey kill. Army go dey kill. Rice, one bag of rice now 45,000 naira. Buhari come now, we don't tire. Being for light, we don't tire for light. Everything, nothing when they useful for Nigeria again. We don't tire for Nigeria. Oh, Buhari, come down. We don't want you again.
Now in Nigeria, is Buhari the problem of?
Yes, it's the government, even Buhari.
If you are the president of this nation, what can you do to solve this problem going on?
So many things. Like, they're in the seat, so they have so many things to do.
Let's give, for example, you are on the seat now.
Yes.
What can you do to solve this problem going on?
They know what to do. If I'm the seat in the Nigeria, I know what to do.
You can just give us an example. Maybe that will help them.
Like this house of 18, I will talk about it. This house of 18, I will talk about it. This light of 18, I will talk about it.
DJM TV.